How to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi calling on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the more button at the top, then tap on settings. Now in call settings, we now go down and then tap on Wi-Fi calling. Tap on our toggle button to turn off Wi-Fi calling or to switch it on. You can also tap on the left hand side panel. From here you can choose your Wi-Fi calling preference. Here you can choose Wi-Fi preferred or mobile network preferred. And that's it. After that you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.